Welcome to ClickFix tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to install Minecraft for free on any laptop or PC. Let's jump right in. First, open up your browser and type Minecraft into the search bar. Hit enter and click on the first link that says Welcome to Minecraft. Once you're on the Minecraft homepage, click on Games, then look to the right-hand side and click Try Minecraft Free. You will be directed to a new page. Scroll down until you find the Download Now. Make sure Windows version is selected, and then click on Download Now button to start the download. After the download is finished, go ahead and open the downloaded file. You should see an application. Proceed by installing it. This may take a few moments, but once it's done, you're almost there. Next, you need to log into any Microsoft account. Once logged in, after that, click on Play Demo. The game will start to download. Once the download completes, you can click on Play Demo World, and you'll be in Minecraft, playing for free. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. If you have any questions, leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching, and take care.